Hello everyone, Abdul Muqsid here with another tutorial on Crocoblock JetEngine. Today we will build our own digital download system with the help of JetEngine, just like you are using easy digital download and other plugin. So let's start. This is my dashboard. Actually, this is my company website. Some of you already know about it. You can see my portfolio, services, everything here. So I wanted to implement this system in my own website. I'll go to dashboard. I have some points here to discuss before starting the tutorial. Plugins, we need Jet Form Builder along with PayPal and Stripe as a payment gateway. So if you are using Jet Form Builder for free, you can use PayPal. If you need Stripe, you need to buy Jet Form Builder. We need JetEngine, and of course in future I would like to extend this system just like we have ticketing system. So we will be using Jet Smart Filter also, so you can filter by categories. Step number one is we need to create CPT for downloads along with a media file as a meta field and the price. Then we need to create the form with form fields. We will fetch these two fields in the form, and we need to enable payment gateway. In this tutorial I will be using Stripe. In future we can use PayPal also, but both are more or less the same. We need an email action. In email action we will send the file to the users if the gateway return a success message that this person already paid, and at the end we need to create a single download page. So let's start. We'll go to JetEngine. I'm sure you know how to install Jet Form Builder. I already have a video over there. You can install Jet Form Builder, and in add-ons you must have Stripe enable. Okay, Stripe payment gateway. We have PayPal also. No, this is PayPal recurring. PayPal free is by default with Jet Form Builder. Step number one is go to JetEngine, and we need to create post type. Add new. The post type should be downloads, and let's label it to download. Okay, in advanced setting we need to have an icon of downloads or files. Let's have it. Okay, let's have this icon, and I will choose a thumbnail image also. We need two meta fields. In future we will extend the functionality. You might need more, but so far we need a media file, or let's call it file download, file dash download, and the type of the field should be media, and let's enable array with media ID and URL. New meta field should be price. So this is the price of the download. Okay, let's keep it number, and that's it. At post type. Okay, now we have downloads here, and let me create a download. For example, Adobe Acrobat Reader. And I will take some data from here, copy, paste. Okay, so this is the description. I need to choose a file. Let me choose a PDF file. You can have zip file, you can have JPG, PNG, whatever you want, you can choose. I will choose a zip file from here. PDF file, and the price is, for example, $35. All right, I will choose a feature image of, let's say, this one. Set feature image, and let's publish. Right click, and let's see an output. Page cannot found. If you face this kind of problem, the easiest solution is go to your settings and permalinks and just click on save. So it will update the permalink, and now refresh. We have Adobe Acrobat Reader. Step number one is done. Now we need to create the form. So let's go to Jet Form Builder, add new form. Let's name it download file. Remove, and let's remove this field also. Let's insert a field. It will be hidden field for price. Okay, and it will fetch the price from meta, post meta. And what is the name of our meta? Let me open it. Cancel, add new. It is price, so I will write price here. So we have price, and let's have another field, hidden field, and I will mention as download file, and let's keep it post meta, and the name is file-download. Okay, so we got two field in our form, and submit button should say purchase now. Click on jet form. Here you will see gateway settings. Okay, now if you don't see gateway setting, go to jet form builder and settings. Here payment gateway, you should enable payment gateway. Now for the API keys, you can enter global API keys here, or you can enter in the form also. Make sure the test mode is on. Okay, so I will be using Stripe, so let's go to stripe.com. Click on dashboard, and here now this is production environment. You need to click on test mode. Okay, now this is test mode. Click on developer and API keys. So it will give you public key and private key, publishable or public key and private key. I will copy the key from here, go to settings, Stripe, I will paste public key and copy. I will paste the secret key and click on save. Okay, go back to form. I will click on publish and refresh the form, because we already entered global values for Stripe payment gateway. Click on Stripe checkout and click on edit. Here it is asking again for the keys. I will click on global settings and click on sync access token. Now our token is updated. It is asking for currency code, so we will be using USD, and it is asking for which field I should map with the price, so it is price field. Click on update. Okay, now here we need action to send email to the user once they successfully pay. Click on the pencil icon. Mail to should. Okay, so we need to add email field here. Add before a text field which should say email address, and the type should be email. Okay, that's it. We need only one field. In future, if you want to extend the functionality, you can connect it with profile builder also. Let's make it mandatory. Jet form, send email to whom, field from submitted, and the name is email address, and the subject should be your digital download. From name is company name. From email is company email. If you are not receiving email, make sure your SMTP setting is correct. Content type, let's have it HTML. Hello, please find the attached digital download purchased from soft emblems.com. Okay, scroll down, and here we have option for attachment. The attachment should come from download file. Okay, this is the file which we upload and then we fetch in the form, and now we will send it to the user. Click on update, and we don't want any more action. You can redirect to the same page if you want. Let's have a redirection. To current page and click on update and update. 2 steps are done. Step number 1, creating download CPT. Then we create a form. Now we need a single page. Here you don't see any form, so we need to add the form here. Go to template, theme builder, and click on add new single post. Close it. From here, from the setting, choose download, and what we have uploaded, I think Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat, apply. I will take 2 sections. Let's keep it dark, and let's take post title here. Adobe Acrobat. I need a bit of padding here. All right, and let's have description for the file. Post content. Change the color to gray. Okay, on the right side we need the pricing, so dynamic field. Source, choose meta, and we will choose the price. Okay, $35. Let's make it primary color. Go to typography and let's increase the size. Go to content and click on filter field output. Let's have it format number, so it will have zeros, and let's click on field customize field output, and we will write USD, or what you can do, you can have it cost or price BR. Okay, so price is 35. It does not look good. Okay, now the last step is to insert the form. Search for jet form and insert it here. We have download file, skip it Ajax. We have email field and we have purchase now. Let's style it a bit. Input field color should be dark, and placeholder we don't have. Typography is fine. Label we need to change the color to this one. All right, and let's go to submit. Keep it full width in center, and let's have a primary color as a background. We don't need border, but we do need padding, and color should be black. Okay, let's make it a bit bolder. Purchase now. All right, click on publish, and condition we need to apply it on all downloads. Save and close. Let's check the single page, and we have successfully created the template for single download. You can for sure modify it. Let's go to form, and here we need to specify the condition. Click on this condition and go to event match, and here we need to choose gateway success. Once the payment is successful, it should then execute this action. Let's refresh the page. I will enter my email address. Purchase now. It redirect me to Stripe payment gateway. Here again I need to write my email, and 424242. This is dummy test cards. And click on pay. payment is successful. I will go to dashboard and click on payments. Here I can see $35 already paid from this customer, and this is the payment method. All the necessary details are here. Now we will be waiting for the email. Click here, let's refresh, and we got the email. Hello, please find the attached digital download from softemblems.com, and this is the file which we have attached with the CPT, not with the form. Now if you want to keep track of who paid and the customer details, all the information you can find in payments. If you go here, we have payments here, initialize payment from this person, and it has all the details. If you go to form records, I guess you will find it in form records also. See here, you can see that this is the email address, this is the price he paid, this is the file the customer downloaded. I hope this is a small tutorial for how to create a digital product, and in future we will create profile builder so the user can see their downloads. They can re-download if they want. I hope you like this tutorial. Please comment if you have any questions and subscribe. Thank you so much.